wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again. I can't be too loud. Psst, we got a new Bey Blade set with 4 new Bey Blades, and I kind of opened it, but I was supposed to wait for Olivia, but I couldn't wait. I really wanted to open them because I wanted to study them, look at them. See, this one is Genesis Valtryek. I already have that one, so I'm going to give that to Olivia. And then I have this one. This is, it doesn't look that good, so I'm going to give that one to Olivia too. And then, ooh, look at this one. Excalius. Oh, that's like Excalibur, like from King Arthur. Ooh, I'm going to keep that one. And then this one. Oh, this is Draciel. I think this is Draciel. Oh, I really loved it. I think this is my strength. Like, if I have these, I'm gonna win. Because last time, remember, she wanted to be like, oh, I'm gonna win. So, here she's coming.
Noah!
Hey!
Are we gonna open up? What? Noah? Kids, did he open? Hi, kids. Did he open our new Beyblade set without me? Noah!
No, it was Fluffy. Fluffy opened it.
I don't believe that for 1 second.
No, Fluffy opened it.
Here, wait, I can check. Yep, wasn't Fluffy, because if Fluffy opened it, it'd be covered in dog slobber. 100%. Also, did Fluffy somehow put it together? Kids? We must have the smartest dog in the world.
Yeah, we do. Fluffy is smart.
Fluffy's very smart, but he doesn't put things together. He chews on them and takes them apart.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow, Noah. I can't believe, guys, sometimes big brothers are the worst.
I'm there to protect you most of the time.
Yeah.
I really loved the Beyblade set, and I was just so impatient, and I wanted to look at them, and you know the Genesis Valtryek, which you really liked, I gave that one to you.
I think that Noah opened them and picked which ones he wants.
No. I picked them for you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I gave you the one that have the best strength.
Yeah, I don't know if I believe you. But guess what?
What?
I am confident in my ability to win with any of them. So that's okay. So I have Genesis Valtryek, which is going to be a tough one. You already have that one, so I understand that I get that one.
Yeah, and I have Excalius! Looks pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Oops.
Oh, except for when you drop it and it falls apart.
Oh, it didn't fall apart.
It didn't, but that's still pretty funny. And then I have Dranzer! Ooh, it's blue. There's no way you gave me the strongest ones, because guess what? This one is blue, and there is no way you would have given me blue.
But there's also purple in it, and I know you like purple.
Yeah. You kids can decide what he did later.
And then this is Draciel. This is a very light and heavy and light one. Not heavy one, light one.
Sure. I like it though. It's nice and green.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, you know what? Maybe we should just play and see whether you scheming and opening it early is going to make you win, or if I'm going to win anyways.
Yeah, let's start. Is that a challenge?
Yeah, that's a challenge.
I accept.
Let's go. Okay, challenge accepted.
Go.
Woo! Beyblades!
Beyblades! Kids, get your set so you can play with us.
Yeah, yay! Go! Woo! Time, 1, 2, 3. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, mine's not doing good. Woo. Whoa! 1, 2, 3. Yours spins way better than the green one. two, three.
Whoa!
That one bounced out.
And the green one is still going.
Whoa,
Let's see if you can knock this one out.
Yeah, okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, one, two, three.
Whoa!
Oh, look, ours are battling against each other.
Yeah, they're the same.
Yeah, I think that one's mine or yours.
No,
I don't
that's
know.
yours.
One, two, three. Whoa, look how fast they're going.
I think we're getting better at this.
Yeah, I think so too.
Next.
Yep.
One,
One,
two,
two, three. Whoa! Those ones exploded a lot.
One,
Two, three. Ooh. I like the blue one, like it's purple and blue.
Yeah,
It's fun.
Oh, looks pretty.
Ooh.
It's
Very even.
Oh!
Oh!
That was a lot.
Yeah. One, two, three. Whoa. Ooh. Yours was going so fast.
It was.
Okay. One, two, three. Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa. They both
They
exploded.
both exploded.
Yeah.
Yep.
One, two, three. I hope yours wins so we can do my last one. They're dancing.
Oh, they're both.
Oh, yeah, both stop.
Yep.
Okay, one, two, three. Ooh, yours is so fast. Woo!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Nice job.
That's crazy. I thought yours was gonna win for sure.
Nope, yours won.
Yay! Woo! Yay! Did you guys see that? I totally won.
I don't want to play with this anymore.
Oh, not this again, Noah.
I don't think you won. I think it was a tie.
You know what, Noah? Sure. It was a tie. Or you won. Either way. That's okay.
I think my green one beat your blue one more
Yeah.
often than
Mm-hmm.
yours did. So, and I think your Genesis Valve trick beat my Genesis Valve trick more often. So that was pretty good.
yeah.
That was really impressive. But then I think my Excalibur was just about even. So that makes us even.
Sure. Yeah. Noah would like to win or at least tie really bad. So you know what? Okay. Does that bother you?
Are you mocking me?
I wouldn't say mocking. I would say, letting you have your way.
Okay, you won fair and square.
Maybe
Fine.
it was a tie. It can be a tie.
Fine, you won.
Okay.
But you know what?
What?
Our next challenge, I will win.
You know what? Our next challenge, I'm gonna let you win.
No, that's not good.
yeah.
No, you fight against me and you win against me fair and square.
Yeah.
But you will not make me win. I'm going to beat you.
Okay, well then, I am going to beat you. It is on, good sir.
It is. Well, kids, I think we're going to go to another Bey Blade challenge. We'll see you next time.
We'll see you guys next time. I hope that you guys
enjoyed.
play as good as I do.
Actually, I hope you play better than
Yeah.
Olivia does.
That's fair. I hope you play better too, because then you'll win even more times.
Now it's on.
Now it's really
Okay, kids.
Okay.
See you next time.
Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!